All right, guys, here we are with a 24 by 36 inch canvas, and I am not going to recreate, but I am going to pour a canvas here. Sorry, I'm just trying to think of how I want to word this. In the same color sequences, basically, that one of my favorite fluid art videos of all time of Mina Villegas is. And I believe it's Aphrodite. And what I'm gonna do here is I have pretty much the same colors mixed up. I did not have burnt umber, but I had raw umber. And then with the raw umber, I did add a little bit of copper to give it a little orangey red tone. So hopefully that does pretty good. And I never pour with brown. So this will actually be my second painting of all time in my fluid art journey that I'm actually using brown. So that's that. All right, we've got Deep Turquoise by Master's Touch. I have Amsterdam's Iridescent Copper. I have 24K Gold by Deco Art. And my paints are fairly thin. And then I have two Artist Loft whites mixed up here, and that's gonna be the base. It's got a little bit of gold and a little bit of the raw umber in here to make it a bit of a cream color. And then I have a Artist Loft white mixed with gold. So I have some of the 24K gold in this one to warm it up for the pour. So what we're gonna start with first, and we'll come back in just a second, I'll have this canvas all coated for you, and then we can just move along from there. I just wanna put down a base coat because that's what Mina did in this wonderful video, but I will link her video below, and that way you could see how beautiful that piece is. It is my favorite piece that she's ever done. And yeah, so we're gonna do that, get the base coat on here, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we've just spread out some of the base coat. I've let some of it run down the sides. The others, I'm not really concerned about that. It's just to keep everything moving so that it doesn't roll over itself. So what I'm gonna do now is actually layer up some of my cups here, and we are gonna come in with a little bit of the white mixture. I'm gonna come in with some gold and a little bit of the brown mixture. Do some of that, the copper. Do some gold. And I'm gonna follow this up with some of the white, and I'm gonna kind of go right into the cup with it because turquoise tends to take over. So we're just gonna start here. We'll put that cup aside. And I think what I want to do is come around it like Mina did. But after she poured it, I'm not trying to copy her. I'm just going to go with my instincts on some things here. And let's come in with some white. And then I'm going to come in with gold again. No, I'm not going to come in with gold. I'm going to come in with the copper. I think this time I'm gonna just do a little bit of the turquoise, and now I'm just gonna follow up with the rest of the colors, but not use any more turquoise for now. I'm gonna do just a splash of white right there on the top, or cream for that matter. And I'm just gonna start right here. And I'm not going to pour from so much high up or so high up. I'm just going to move it around now. This is totally not like how she did it, but I don't know what's going on here, but I don't like it. So we're gonna come in, we're gonna muck it up. Just a little bit. I might re-pour that all together there. So let's see how this goes. We're gonna stretch it this way. And we're gonna come back this way. I almost feel like I don't have enough cream. I don't like that, so we're gonna take that right off. Maybe come this way. You're gonna see nothing but reflection in this light. So I'm actually gonna move it a little bit. So it's gonna get a little dark over there for a second, because what I wanna do is move this way. This is totally different. I love it though. I am moving it down to this other corner a bit. You guys may not be able to see, and I'm so sorry. I love this. All right, I'm cleaning the edge here. And I am absolutely done. This is gonna look amazing when it's dry. Too cool. All right, we're gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. This is like amazing. I love it. All of this copper in here and in here is going to glow. And then of course all the gold in here. And this green area is gonna look really neat. So this is the final result. Let me see if I can do this. And turn off that light. Now we have some overhead lights on. Still trying to figure out the lighting portion. I would have done this in the kitchen, but I didn't want to have to move it into here because I kind of need my counter space this weekend. So this will take a few days to dry. But yeah, totally inspired by Mina Villegas. Looks absolutely nothing like her stuff from then, but I did use similar colors. Just shows that different results occur. You guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now. All right, guys, here is the 98% dried results. It's still a little wet in the middle, but not that bad. I just wanted to make sure I added the dried results to this piece. Figured bring it outside in the sun. This was a really lovely little collaboration with Mina Villegas. And please check out her video in the description box below. And I don't know, this is so pretty. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye for now.